Hey, what's up, guys? This is Jake Reviews, and today I am talking about the Lamborghini Sian, or Sian, or I don't know how you pronounce it. I'm sure I'll learn eventually once I see it for the car for the first time. Now, this is one of the new videos I'm trying to get more people in, but this ain't the normal video that I will be doing for other news. I did go to a video today in Norcross. I filmed for about an hour, but last year you guys didn't really like it that much, and you guys don't really watch the show video unless it's a very popular show. This show ain't really that popular last year in Norcross. So I'm just gonna show just a few 10 minutes at the end of the video of just a long stretch of just cool cars I saw. And that's about it. But for now, we're talking about the Sian, or Sian, whatever you pronounce it. I'm just gonna call it the Sian until someone tells me how to pronounce it. So this is Lamborghini's first hybrid V12 flagship, which I actually am glad they're doing because, well, we need better gas mileage cars. V12s are very high performance engines and they require a lot of gas. So I'm glad they're doing a hybrid system. That way we can get better gas mileage and a better performance. If you remember the Ferrari LaFerrari, it was a hybrid, but it wasn't your typical Prius. It wasn't. It used an engine called a KERS system, Kinetic Energy Reserve System. What that did, it took the energy that was lost when you were like braking or something like that, and it saved it. And then when you needed it, like when you're slamming the thing, you're waiting on the rev to pull up so you can get some torque. It gives you that instant torque. That way it can give it a nice boost and give it up to the rev range. That way the V12 can perform better. I'm hoping this is what they're doing. Obviously, I think the hybrid system is going to be power the car like a Prius does, but instead it's going to do a lot better with performance, unlike, Prius and those other hybrids, which I'm really excited for. Now, the look, I'm not too fond of for some of it. I don't really like the front end that much. Alright, correction. I only saw a little angle like the first day when I saw it. One of my subscribers sent me messages of it, and I only saw a side of it of the front end, so I didn't really get to see how angular the front end is. Once we got more pictures, I was able to look it up again and see that it's not just a Gallardo headlight, which I explained a little bit. It is actually angular. It's more a lot of angulars and lots of lines. I actually like that. I'm glad it's not what I thought originally. I'm going to call it a little bit part of the video. And I'm so glad it's not what I thought it was. I'm sorry for Infiniti Zoom and Lamborghini fans. I had no idea they were doing that. Again, we only got a small. I've only saw that one shot of it, and that's all Lamborghini was allowing anyone to see of it. So again, that's where I got my opinion from. But I'm glad I got to see a good side of it, at least how angular it is, which I'm actually glad. So, let's continue. The rear, I love the rear light. That is crazy and wild, which is a Lamborghini should be, wild. A Ferrari is an art piece, and a Lamborghini is how crazy can we make this thing look. That's pretty much what they are. Now, the interior, I'm not too fond of. It's not like I don't like it. It's just not new. It literally looks like a carbon copy of the Aventador. Obviously, they changed a couple things, but it just looks like your normal Lamborghini. It doesn't look new. Doesn't look like something they try something new. And this is, you're gonna say, oh, they can't spend money on everything. Like, this is a Lamborghini. Yes, they can. And they should do that. As the tachometer looks like the same, the technology all the same. Wheel, they changed the wheel, and I don't even like the wheel. Doesn't look like a Lamborghini wheel. It looks like a Honda CR-V wheel. I don't really like it. But that's just the interior. I'm sure they'll update and maybe do some changes to it. It's just a rendering. But besides that, I do like the car. I'm just not in love with it. I love the Aventador, but that's not just because it's my dream car. I fell in love with the car, with the looks, the sound. Like, it's just so much I love about the car. Which I'll explain when I do finally review it. But I'm just kind of a little bit disappointed with the Sian. I felt like Lamborghini could have done a little bit more, a better job of making it look cooler and making it much better than the Aventador. But we'll see. I'll see the car for the first time, and I'm still open to change my opinion. I'm always open to her until I review the car. I'm always willing to change my opinion and see and let the car prove itself to me. But I'm looking at it now. Unless they change a couple things, I don't think I'm gonna like it as much as the Aventador. That's just my opinion. But I do want to review it because it's not just because I review everything. It's just because I like to see what the brand's going for. So if anyone out there, any dealerships that are out there who will be willing to let me review it, let me take it for a spin, let me know. Email me. You must be in Atlanta area because I ain't driving too far. Just drive a Lambo. No offense, I love Lambos, but I can't drive too far. Sorry. But if you live in Atlanta or something like that, you get in the car or know something, shoot me an email. We'll schedule something like that. But if you're a scammer, I'll know you're a scammer and I'll instantly delete it. Don't even try. I know what to look for. I ain't stupid. But besides that, I quite like the car. So that's it for Lamborghini. Besides the other cars they have, I know the Huracan's coming to an end. There is gonna be a new one coming out. I do like the Evo. I do like the way it looks. It's a good refresher, and people have liked it. To me, it gave the refresh it needed without changing too much of it, which is I liked. But besides that, let's get on with the video of all the New Car Show. And if you don't want to see that, that's fine. You can click the video now. I was just here for that. But if you want to see what I do, if you're new to the channel, you can see right now. I'll see your reviews for that. But when I don't give reviews, I do shows. So here's a little bit of taste of that. Bye!